Welcome back to Marcus and Manuela's Saab channel, and we had a vote on the YouTube channel. As it mentioned here, someone came up with a clever idea to show all the Saab stuff I buy. Not that I have a problem, and you can vote. Yes, we would like to see videos of the Saab stuff you buy, or oh hell to the no, keep your crazy ass shit to yourself. And you guys voted. We want to see it. Actually 98%, which is astonishingly many votes for wanting to see the Saab stuff. So maybe you also have a problem. And this week we have a special thing for you guys, because you've seen the post everywhere on Facebook with the Saab shoes. And everyone says, oh, it's a scam, it's a scammer, it's a scammer, it's a scammer, it's a scammer. No, it's probably just a spammer, because here they are. It's the Saab shoes. Crazy, right? This is the new ones I ordered just a few weeks ago. I will leave a link in the video comment. Yeah, it's printed on both sides. And there is also two of them, so you can wear one on each foot. Luckily, so they do exist. These ones I haven't ordered from the seller before. Quality wise, maybe not superb, but they were actually pretty nice to walk in. And if I zoom in a little here, you will see that yeah, it's just printed here on and probably sewn on the sole. So, but still, it looks nice. I mean, from further away, it's even better, right? So if you want to look really, really good going to the Saab meetings, you should probably wear this shoe. Not like everyday use, because I think it will not survive for maybe too long. Also, I don't know if you have seen this before, we got some shoes from Saab fans when they visited Sweden. And these were probably, they were a little misprinted, I think, but these are more quality shoes. It's a little leather-like, but you see, they are Saab shoes and they do exist, apparently. So calling them scammer is probably false, maybe spammer, of course. But yeah, as you can see, there are Saab shoes actually, in fact, in real life. So I will try to wear these on the next Saab meeting, I think. So what do you think? Are you surprised? Maybe you like them? Yeah? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, I will keep it kind of short this weekend. I have some other stuff to show you maybe next week. But until then, you have to stay with the Saab shoes. That are pretty nice, yes. So, write in the comment if you're going to order the Saab shoes also. And remember, if you pay by PayPal, you are totally secure. I mean, you have 100% safety. You get the money back if they don't deliver. Actually, when I first ordered them, I didn't get any order confirmation or anything, so I thought, okay, maybe this guy is a scammer, unlike the other millions of sellers from China, because when you order from China, you usually always deliver. Maybe you don't know how large it is, or when it will come. Maybe you lost all your hair or get some more gray hair, but they always deliver, the Chinese. And apparently they did. I just have one bad thing, because I reported to PayPal that I didn't get any shoes. Oops. And then these arrived in the post yesterday. So I think I'll have to try to contact them again. But I tried email them, but the email is down. Probably it could be copyright reasons, right? So I'm thinking maybe they can do any shoe if you send them the design, probably. So yes, I love them very much, and I hope you have a great weekend. And also, please also write in the comments, did you buy some Saab stuff this week? So until the next video, take care, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the comment button. You must comment, you must comment. Otherwise maybe I will stop making these videos, I think. Yeah, maybe I do something else, like drink beer with Emma. Yes, what do you think about that? So take care until then.